Well, here I am in my favorite spot to do some of these video reviews, and I have this product that I'm sure I'm gonna find the right fit for it here. Let's see. So this is a step or a ladder to get into these kind of trailers, and well, I might need some hardware to install it, but let's see. I think so this is more or less the installation, but it didn't come with any hardware to do it, so I think I'm gonna have to go and get that first. So this will be the setup for this step here, but we will have to install this here. And again, this didn't come with hardware or any instruction, and actually that is stated on the Amazon website, so you have to be absolutely sure that this fits. So it will be here. Oops. This is the way it will fit, and it's perfect over there. Very easy to get up on this huge trailer. So this is more or less what we got. We will need to either weld it or do some holes for some heavy duty screws. So this is the way it will be with proper screws, proper hardware, or welding it into the frame, but this is how I got it. So make sure you got the right trailer, the right hardware, so this can work for you. Check the website, check the pictures, and make sure it's the good fit for your truck or trailer.